Intelligence Gateway.
Week 6, Data Warehousing and Business Intelligence. Introduction to Data Warehousing and Business Intelligence. Data warehousing and business intelligence are two related concepts that are used to help organizations make data-driven decisions. Here's a brief introduction to each. Data warehousing. A data warehouse is a centralized repository of data that is used for reporting and analysis. It is a large, integrated database that contains data from various sources within an organization. The purpose of a data warehouse is to provide a single source of truth for business data that can be used to support decision-making. Data is extracted from various operational systems, transformed into a common format, and loaded into the data warehouse. Business intelligence. Business intelligence, BI, refers to the tools, technologies, and practices that are used to analyze and present data from a data warehouse. BI allows businesses to access and analyze data from multiple sources, create reports and dashboards, and gain insights into business performance. BI tools can be used to perform ad hoc analysis, create data visualizations, and generate reports that can be used to support decision-making. Together, data warehousing and business intelligence can provide a powerful platform for organizations to leverage their data assets and gain insights into their business operations. By consolidating data from multiple sources into a centralized repository and using BI tools to analyze and visualize that data, businesses can make more informed decisions, optimize their operations, and gain a competitive advantage. Data warehouse design and implementation. Data warehouse design and implementation involves several steps, including business requirements gathering. This involves working with stakeholders to understand their reporting and analysis needs, as well as the data sources that will be used to populate the data warehouse. Data modeling. This involves creating a logical data model that defines the relationships between different data entities and the attributes of those entities. The logical data model is then used to create a physical data model that defines the structure of the data warehouse. Extract, transform, load, ETL. This involves extracting data from source systems, transforming it into a common format, and loading it into the data warehouse. ETL tools are used to automate this process and ensure data quality. Data quality and validation. This involves ensuring that the data in the data warehouse is accurate and complete. Data quality and validation tools are used to identify and correct errors and inconsistencies in the data. Data integration. This involves integrating data from multiple sources into a single, unified view. Data integration tools are used to ensure that the data in the data warehouse is consistent and up-to-date. Indexing and partitioning. This involves optimizing the performance of the data warehouse by creating indexes on frequently queried columns and partitioning the data to improve query performance. Reporting and analysis. This involves using business intelligence tools to create reports and dashboards that provide insights into business operations. Reports and dashboards can be used to monitor key performance indicators, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions. Data warehouse design and implementation is a complex process that requires a deep understanding of business requirements, data modeling, ETL, data quality, data integration, indexing and partitioning, and reporting and analysis. It is important to work with experienced data warehousing professionals and use proven methodologies and best practices to ensure a successful implementation. Business intelligence tools and techniques. Business intelligence, BI, tools and techniques are used to analyze and present data from a data warehouse, allowing organizations to gain insights into their business operations and make data-driven decisions. Some common BI tools and techniques include 1. Reporting. Reporting is a common BI technique that involves creating and distributing reports that provide insights into business operations. Reports can be created using tools like Crystal Reports, SQL Server Reporting Services, and Oracle BI Publisher. 2. Dashboards. Dashboards provide a visual representation of key performance indicators, KPIs, and metrics that are important to the business. Dashboards can be created using tools like Tableau, Power BI, and ClickView. 3. Data visualization. Data visualization is the practice of presenting data in a visual format that is easy to understand. Data visualization tools like Tableau and D3.js allow users to create charts, graphs, and other visualizations that help to identify trends and patterns in the data. 4. OLAP, Online Analytical Processing. OLAP is a technique that allows users to analyze large volumes of data in a multidimensional format. OLAP tools like Microsoft Analysis Services and Oracle OLAP provide users with a fast and efficient way to analyze large volumes of data. 5. Data mining. Data mining is the process of discovering patterns and trends in large datasets. Data mining tools like IBM SPSS and SAS provide users with powerful algorithms for data mining and predictive modeling. 6. Predictive analytics. Predictive analytics is the practice of using data, statistical algorithms, and machine learning techniques to identify the likelihood of future outcomes based on historical data. Predictive analytics tools like IBM SPSS and SAS provide users with powerful tools for building predictive models. 7. Data warehousing. Data warehousing is the process of creating a centralized repository of data that can be used for reporting and analysis. Data warehousing tools like Microsoft SQL Server and Oracle Database provide users with a robust platform for building and managing data warehouses. Business intelligence tools and techniques are an essential component of any data-driven organization. By leveraging these tools, organizations can gain valuable insights into their business operations and make more informed decisions.